education is all about a human element which technology can simply not replace. But what will happen is that technology will help teachers to change the way of teaching and delivering that curriculum, and that I think is going to have a big impact.
So I think technology is very powerful, and it will augment or aid and complement what teachers do in the classroom. But can it replace teachers? I think not. I think it will be a companion to a good teacher. But I think teachers are so essential because the social aspect of learning is really important.
I think that's a really interesting question. Obviously, there's a lot of debate and discussion, but I think when you speak to most researchers in the STEM space who have looked into this very deep question, there is no doubt that teachers will remain. The teaching profession is one of the few jobs that will be around, and it's not so much due to the mundane skills of assessment and marking, but more due to the social skills such as empathy, such as compassion, which robots will find very, very difficult to replicate.
I hear this question quite a lot actually, and I think it is because there's so much technology, it just grows at such a rapid rate. But for me, I don't think technology will ever replace teachers. I think there's so many brilliant things that can happen, that schools can share lessons and things with other schools across the world through technology. So that element definitely, but I think no matter where you are in the world, there's always going to be a need for that human connection.
Absolutely not. I don't think it will, and the reason why is because kids need us to be there socially and emotional. That's a huge aspect, and as the generation is growing with social media and the confidence and self-esteem, students will need our presence there more than ever.
No, I don't believe that technology will ever replace teachers, but I do believe that technology like virtual reality will allow a global network of teachers to be able to connect with students from around the world in new ways that weren't previously possible.
I think technology will not replace teachers in the future. I think the role of a teacher changes. So technology is essentially an enabler. I think the role of a teacher is how to leverage technology to help with personalized learning. So teachers are more facilitators, and they can support more time using technology to help students learn in a more efficient way in the classroom.
Technology is penetrating in the education sector tremendously, and so far it has been collaborating. There is a common question about will any technology or robotics will replace teachers or not. This is a tricky question, and I think the answer would be that best is that if we wait and explore how is it going.
If you're talking about 5 to 10 years, maybe not, but going further, yes. What I feel is that the human beings, the teachers, have to up their skills quickly because the coming generation is so fast in the technological aptitude, they are digital natives. So unless the teachers adapt to it and use technology more, fine-tuning it to the learning part of it as opposed to a resource or replacement of a book, the teachers will be replaced by technology.